We are from grade 5 Olive, and we would like to make a video and
Louder now.
before we do that, Leah, can you tell us how what we are doing about
big magnet, from plastic, celluloid, coloring powder, stirrer, water, and plastic glass.
Okay, thank you, Leah, for telling us the material for 3D magnetic field. And Mama, can you tell us how to make it?
Miring. Deh, please duduk yang bagus. Dari suaranya. Abang lihat deh. Sudah.
Kalau adik dari sini
Maybe you can show to the parents, Ahmed and Muhammad and Fadil.
You can show.
Check it first. Muhammad, check it first. Ya. Jalan-jalan magnetnya ya.
Jangan. Louder.